Alrighty, Al, here's your 427 small block Ford. Your description is combination. We got the Edelbrock manifold, quick fuel carburetor, MSD Pro Billet, custom grind hydraulic roller, set of our CNC heads on it, rear sump oil pan, Marks Onyx front end on it. Go in there and make a run, see what it does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,600, 471 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 543, peak horsepower 570, rate of 575, front end's about 15, so it runs good. Do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you. Show you a couple of things here. Receiver engine, find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card. It is full of technical information. In the crate will be this engine spec sheet. Highly recommend reading it. Have a great day.